Hi guys, so old school. I'm on the floor sitting down at my grandmother's house because I'm working over here today, and I just didn't want to not film for you guys so I can always have content up. So today is going to be a Snapchat Q&A video, and I'm just looking at my snap right now. And by the way, for those of you who are asking, this is the phone case I'm currently using, and I know it's a little bit gaudy, but yeah. So this is my Snapchat, and I'm just going in there now, so I'm just going to tell the guys exactly what I'm doing. Hi guys, I'm going to film my Snapchat Q&A right now. I'm right in front doing it old school, so yeah, send me a Snapchat makeup questions. Yeah, so story. Okay, so let me just add. No, I'm not gonna add these people because I'm gonna get confused, because when I add people, like, it pushes down the thingies further and further. So I have a lot, and some of these are personal snaps because I actually do talk to you guys on Snapchat. You know, if you guys have Snapchatted me, you would have known that. So okay, so just scrolling to find you guys. Okay, so this first one is by, hold on. Okay, this first one is by Miss EYEBROW 513. Oh wow, oh wow, still learning, but learning from the best. Oh wow, she has like a whole picture thingy, like a collage thingy. Wow, that's cute. Yo mama, that is so cute right now. Ooh, I hate my makeup in this light. I just don't like my makeup came off today. But I still film. But I'm sure you guys have those days where, you know, you may look on fleek to somebody else and you're just like, no, boo. So this is by Ali. It says tap to load. Let me just tap to load, but I need to tap to load. So this one is by Ali, and it says, oh, watching you. Aww. Thanks for the support, love. Okay, so this next one is by Ashley.
Have you tried any ColourPop stuff yet? And if not, you need to.
I have actually tried their, hey Ashley, I've actually tried their eyeshadows, and I'm digging them. I'm loving those eyeshadows. I've actually only tried their eyeshadows. Haven't tried their matte lipsticks or anything like that, just the eyeshadows, and I like the eyeshadows. But I see that some YouTubers using a brush to put it on. I can't use a brush, I have to use my fingers. So yeah, I don't know why it's so weird for me doing this video. I feel very awkward. So this is by Marcy_8. It says thanks a lot. Oh okay, so her and I were talking, but my question came before the Q&A. Oh, because she had to ask a question and I answered it, you know, because she asked me. So Hulk Smash says, OMG, you're such an inspiration to watch. Oh, stay gorgeous. Thanks, boo. Aw. So the Diamond Diva says, of course I'll follow you back. Of course I'll follow you back, honey. Why wouldn't I? Boo boo. Listen, what? Yeah. So I don't know what to say. I don't know how to follow people on Snapchat, but if the little thing comes up and I click the plus, so if I'm following you, then I'm following you. Daniel Hemans says, I know this isn't really makeup related, but can you do a what's on my iPhone 6 Plus video where you just show the apps you have, apps that where you recommend for us to download? Of course, definitely. I wanna film that today actually. Okay, wanna spell wrong. I don't know what the hell is that. Film. Hold on. Thank you. So Dickhead Dylan says, have a good day, God bless. Thank you. I don't know if it's a male or female. I don't know if it's a thanks boo and he thinks I'm flirting. So King La, oh okay, okay boo, thanks. Okay, so That was a personal message. So spoil underscore Chickley says, hi Lyric, I so love you girl. OMG, I follow you on all social media, on all social sites. God, why can't I focus? You are your girl, I so love you. Such an inspiration. Keep doing the good work. What I wanted to ask is, heck do you correction? No, the first part says, I just want to know what do you do to get your face looking so flawless. I'm in love with your head wraps due to how I love you. As I wake and pray, I'm gonna check my email to see if you upload anything. Girl, you're such an inspiration. You inspire me not to give up on my dreams. I honestly love you and I will always support you, goodie. Oh honey, I know some film the head wrap tutorial, so that's up now. But honestly, I know some have a skin thing with malaria, so but honestly I just foundation we use. I tend to use hydrating foundations, not drying foundations. So I use my black opal. I tried I love matte I love the matte look, but I don't think like matte foundations like are for me. I don't know, maybe I haven't found the right one, but I don't think they're for me at all. So I like hydrating foundation, i.e. black opal. Love black opal. And I take care of my skin. I've recently started moisturizing a lot. My skin looks very cracky in this video, and I think I know why. When I just took a shower at my grandmother's house, I used the Neutrogena, I think it's called, facial wash, and I think I'm allergic to it, so I think I have little fine bumps on my face just like that, and it's just annoying. Anastasia says, thank you for adding me. I love watching your videos on YouTube. Oh, no problem, boo. Oh, you guys are so romantic. So Obey Tash says,
I know you don't expect this one from me, but I'm gonna try it out. Never really want to do it, but I guess.
Listen to me, you look a girl. This is my brother's fiance. This is my sister-in-law. Like Jade, if you guys watch my vlogs, you know Osana. She's always the one going, no, me don't look good. No, always. Nana, due to it upon good papa YouTube. See the you girl, I film. And yes, it upon YouTube. I'm not edit it out, I be. She hates the camera. I don't know who's supposed to be a part of my family. I hate camera. I vlog. That's what I do. I vlog. So Maze Fat Lucia says, oh my god, how precious are you? Hi honey, I love you too. I'm actually filming. Big up my iron. I'm actually filming. Oh honey, I love you too, sweetie. Oh my god, how adorable was that? Oh, and because I have Jonathan, it's like my aunt just extra soft towards pick name. I'm out here now because it's in the room. Oh, why I'm on the floor in my mother's camera. So why am I? Because Jonathan is sleeping in the room, and I know how expressive I can be when I'm doing these videos, so I had to come out. So Ashley underscore Renee Sue says,
Good morning. I'm trying to start a YouTube channel, but this is saying that the partnership program isn't available in my country. Could you help? Like, I'm not sure what to do, or yeah. So how do you become a partner while you're living in Jamaica?
Okay. Alright, actually what I had to do third party. So I'm a partner on Style Hall. If you go on my banner, you'll see that I'm a Style Hall partner. So go to stylehall.com and just register and just supply. What should they? Who would you Ashley? What is me like Jonathan a while ago? Let me go back here. Oh, I want to tell her go to okay. Yeah, so go to stylehall.com and you register, and you can register from anywhere in the world because I'm in Jamaica and I'm a Style Hall partner, and they're actually paying me way better than my old people that I used to be with. So just saying. Okay, so many people. So Tia Samuda, oh my god, Tia Samuda, that's my babe. That's babe. That is bae right there. That's bae material. So Tia Samuda says,
oh, when I today you made that video, come because they was like as you say, you think you say you're gonna wear, because even like the lipstick I have.
So we're talking. This is
really cute.
so she's legit talking to me.
Really nice.
because I go to work in the night, so I just sit and watch it.
Oh.
You make more and start wrap me here. You see, I listen here from man, you make more and start wrap it up. Wrap thing up, wrap thing shut. What one? What's that area of is it? Hope it's alright. Keep on doing the good work, booba.
Aww. You know, so you just watch it, yeah. But I'm filming, so but I never show them though, because I'm telling me I career reason, also. But yeah, thanks, honey. Oh, Jesus God. Oh, alright. Okay, so Ali responded to me. So this is Diva Boss.
I just wanted to say those brushes are amazing. Amazing with this application. I love it. Yes,
Babu, yes. Why? You know, some not bring on not no flunky, and flimsy, and flanny. You girl. Thank you, honey. Thank you. Listen, I put my rep is on those brushes, man. Like, I'm not gonna sell y'all bull. You crazy? If I would curse, I'm gonna say I ain't gonna sell you. I need a diaper full of to show you. I'm not gonna say the guys crap. I'm just not. So Dadush Tang says hi. Hey. Beauty Mart Genova. Oh, that name looks familiar. Says, hey, I love your channel. I'm on MUA as well, but I started out learning mainly on YouTube, trial and error, and then several to school. Wow, for my MUA certificate. But afterwards, not even having any clientele to begin with, I feel myself losing patience. But my question is, what are some tips to help beginners like myself gain clientele? How do you all post flawless photos? What apps do you prefer to use? Promotional photos. If you own a DSLR. Whoa, it's a lot of questions. Okay, boo. So whenever I say this head wrap, just know that everything you just asked me is going to be in a video, because I'm going to do what's on my iPhone video, and that will cover the apps that I use. And also, what I want to say, hold on, because I want to say this to her as well. Also, what I want to say is, if you want to start your own build a clientele, start a YouTube channel. I'm dead serious. Starting a YouTube channel will help you to get yourself out there, will help you to get over the shyness, and people blood cleanse. Me take one picture and pick. Why do I keep taking pictures? And people are going to see and say, oh my gosh, I like her makeup. Yo, can I book it for my graduation? Can I book it for my wedding? Stuff like that. So definitely start a YouTube channel if you want to build your clientele, and an Instagram page and a Facebook page. Let social media be your female dog. Let it be your hoe. Okay, because social media will gain you clientele. Most of my brides, because I do most of the weddings, most of my brides are not even from out here. Most of my brides are from abroad. They see me on YouTube. Most of my brides yeah, come from abroad. Some of them are Jamaicans living abroad, but they're Jamaicans, they don't have the Jamaican accent, you know. But definitely start a YouTube channel, your Instagram page, get your name out. You just have to dive into it. You just have to dive into it. You can't just sit and wait for clientele to come. You have to dive into it. And that's what I did. I just dive in headway. Anyway, I learn and I can't swim, because after beauty school I didn't have any clientele, and I learned through trial and error. I've told my story a million times that my very first job was $9 US, and the people hated it, and them tell me to my face that they hated it, and why they never get the makeup artist that the bride got, and you know, they just felt duped. But I kept on pushing, and look at me now, we're charging $200 for brides, and people are happily paying it, saying that it's cheap. Bruh, going on this beautiful island doing makeup. I love doing makeup outside of where I live. I love going to Ochi, I love going to Negril, Mobe. I love it because I love my country sometimes, but I love it. So just Mish25 says, hey Simone, it's Mishka, you busy? Oh, so she called me. Okay, so about Mishka, so for the past couple of, like a day or so, yesterday, but you guys will see this like weeks later. But yesterday, no, I'm going to post it this Thursday. That's tomorrow. Oh my god. So I wasn't feeling good on Tuesday, because today's Wednesday, and I don't know, and I snapped about it. I was just feeling like blech, and a lot of old demons were coming back, like with my thoughts, because for me the battle is mostly in my mind. Like I will convince myself of something, and I will see things play out that coincides, that correlates with what I think is going on in my head. And I was just out of it for a day, and she called me and she's like, are you okay? And I'm like, yeah, why? She's like, Simone, you're not okay. Kind of that my dream say. When you think nobody cares, when you think nobody gives a flying poop, when you think you are all alone, that is when like God is like the closest to you. Because like I didn't have to get that phone call. I didn't have to be reminded that, you know, God loves me and that I should just hold on a little bit more. I didn't have to get it. I didn't have to get that, but I did. And it just thinking about it now, I'm like, wow, my friends, wow. Yeah, so Philly93 says, hey girl, I love you. So quick question, I was watching your start to finish feed and I realized when you blot your makeup it doesn't come off. When I do, it does. I wear primer so I don't get it. Help. Okay. So the thing is, boo, when I put my makeup, see that start to finish makeup is legit how I do my makeup. And I have another start to finish makeup coming that is foolproof guaranteed. I live in Jamaica and y'all know it's hot out here. Yeah, it's been a bit cold for the past couple of days. Not cold, but like, you know, nippy, because whatever breeze that blow, everybody say hurricane. I mean, look at hurricane coming. I love look at rain I saw, but yeah, uno se me dish, uno like ginger. Yeah, so how I applied my makeup today, like I know, like, oh, what's that makeup? Oh, that's embarrassing there. But how I apply my makeup is I do the baking. And let me just say this, the whole baking thing, we've always done it in makeup. But what people do, them set it underneath hair to catch fallout. But we've always done it. People are acting like baking is a new thing. My hat goes after the not transgendered. Oh, I'm just not diva. What's it called? Drag queens. My hat goes out to the drag queens because they're the ones who made it what it is. Because when I watch RuPaul's Drag Race, they forever bake, and I have to understand they do shows. It's like how they do their makeup is for longevity. It's not just I run out to the store and whatever. That's for longevity. So doing the whole baking process, it makes baking. It's worth it. It's completely worth it. And I've been doing it with my clients and I just love the finish of the makeup, especially my clients with oily skin. Bruh. Okay, oh, I have a lot, you know. So Sky Bubella says hi. Hey, just saying hi. I think people are weirded out that I'm actually probably following them and they're like, oh my god, I can't believe she's following me. I don't know what to do. Oh, my bae isn't feeling well. This is Michelle.
Okay, one more time. I'm just getting off of work, down here to pick up my mom. I would like to give a shout out to Lyric. Thank you, Chica, for me. Hey, look at this. He has a sun on the back of his Jeep, but it's cloudy.
Okay, so as I say, like, my Snapchat is legit where I talk to you guys.
I have a question. Why some people get to get off from work early? I don't get it. I just don't get it at all. Hey, Lyric, what's up, girl? Let me know what's going on with you. Haven't seen you on Snap for a while. Snap me back. What you guys think? Should I wear my hair like this?
I like it.
What?
I like it like that. You should probably do a bang. Hey boo, I'm actually filming my Snapchat Q&A right now, real ghetto. I'm like at my grandmother's house. I ain't got nothing now, just some drawers. But I love your hair with the bang thingy. Let's see how much I have left. Ooh, I have a little bit left. So Mia Mona says, oh, you feel better. Because I remember I snapped that I wasn't feeling too good. Where is it? Thanks, boo. I tell you, I talk to you guys on Snapchat. I really do. Really think this is you. So she sent me a link to open and it says really think this is you. So I'm going to, oh, the page you requested cannot be displayed right now. Okay, back to Snapchat. I can't see the page, boo. Okay, so Samantha says,
sometimes discouraged, but not defeated.
"Aww. Good night, Lily. Just want to know how does the procedure goes for to order to shop online to ship me. Sometimes discouraged, not defeated, cast down. Oh, oh. I'm about to you guys wasn't feeling good and I snapped about it. Like you guys are the bomb. I love you guys. Ship me. Just go to shipme.me. That's the website, not shipme.com. Shipme.me and just sign up and that's it, boo boo.
Ship me. Just go to ship me.
Do you guys find it weird that I actually respond to it? Because I don't want, because you can know people open their snaps and I don't want to be a chan open and not reply. You know what I mean? Like if I can open it, I can reply. That's how I think. And then I follow not a lot of YouTubers but a couple YouTubers, and for the life of me they'll never respond back, they'll never snap back, and some of them they're literally like, oh, I'm just here chilling, and I'm like, yo, you know, I love your videos, and nothing. It is what it is. It is what it is. This is my life. So hello, 5 Lies. Lee says, hi, my name is Lillian and I live in Australia. Yes, boom. Hi Lillian, my name is Lyric. I live in Jamaica and I'm filming, so this is gonna be on YouTube, baby. Lillian, no, dang it, why does it keep on opening stuff? Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, so Mina Love, annoyed. I care. OMG, I'm sorry, it wasn't meant for you. My sincere apologies. Oh. That's okay, boo. Oh my god. And I was like, oh, I feel you, girl. Why do I keep on opening snaps and I'm not even wearing nails? Dang it. So Nindy says, beautiful voice, thanks, boo. Oh, I was singing on my Snapchat the other day. I'm going to go on Periscope after this and just, you know, talk to you guys. This is my baby can talk. Aww. Well, Jonathan is talking to it. He's not using words, but that's cool. But he's talking, you know.
Jonathan is talking.
Then you know what? I'm sitting as followed on the ground. Phoenix Blue Tart says, oh, tap to view. Advice to start uploading on YouTube, baby. You just have to do it. You just have to start, because if you wait on this, wait on that, you'll never start, because you'll wait to get the lighting, the camera. Just start. You can use your phone to even do the YouTube videos. If you want to start a YouTube channel, just do it. I find it amazing that so many of us on YouTube are inspiring you to start a YouTube channel and inspiring you to start to do something that you love. And you can say, you know, people have YouTube channel, I don't want to do it, it's just too much out there. That's like the biggest excuse ever. Okay, look, so we got the bags, right? Because we ran out of bags and I got bags, and they didn't even tie the ends. Look, like some of them the ends are tied. Well, look, this one is tied and then this one isn't. It's some bull crap, man. So now I'm gonna have to go through and tie the ends. Not that I'm not busy enough, I have to go through and tie the, I don't know why I just said that. It's because I just looked up and I started like, oh my god, I'm in focus. I truly hope I'm in focus. But yeah, yeah, just start. Guys, can't nobody do you. Apple is not the only one that makes phones. They have different people that makes phones as well, different companies, and they can't say, oh gosh, I can't stop because Apple. No, the world needs what you have. What you have, only you alone can do it through your expertise, through your experiences. So do you, boo boo. Jeez, do it, man. Oh, it's by Candies. Maybe. Hope you have a good day, sweetie. Aww. Remember, I love you. Aww. I don't want to be at school. Aww. I hope you have a good day too. I'm filming. So when I'm more relaxed, you know, I'll probably Snapchat you back. Wink, wink. Oh, wink, wink. Yeah, right.
I hope you have a good.
Ali responded, I think. Let me just see what she says. Yeah. Michelle anyway says, I like watch your video and you created a beautiful masterpiece. Oh, thanks, boo. So LO5, I love watching your videos, and I'm one of your subscribers. Do you have your own makeup shop where people can come and get makeup? Not yet, boo, but trust, 2016 is about to be lit, honey. Lit. Okay, so that's it. I answered all my Snapchat Q&As. Yay. I answered everything. Thank you so much, you guys, for following me on Snapchat. Truly appreciate you. I love talking to you guys on Snapchat and on Periscope. I want to do a what's on my iPhone video, so I'm going to probably change my lip color so that when I'm editing I know what it is I'm doing. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys. Thank you, Michelle, typing. I tell you, on Snapchat I talk to you guys like normally. Like if you say, hey Lyric, how are you? I'm like, oh babe, I'm okay. Dose of Hannah is like my new favorite babe on Snapchat. I just love speaking to her. She's just so sweet. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for making this video epic. Bye guys.